How to fix Instagram comments not showing in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram comments not showing in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. Go to the apps. Now on this page it will start loading. Wait. Okay, let's wait a few seconds. Now, as you can see, after it get loaded, it will show you the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to the app information page. Or what you have to do here now is very simple. Click on the force stop option here and then go down, click on the storage. Right here, click on this option. It's called clear data, as you can see. When you click on it, it will clear all the data that you have on the app. After that, turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. If it's not, then you have to uninstall the app and reinstall it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.